Let me show you how you can make nice animated birthday card in PowerPoint. So here I am, I got 3 slides. The first one, I got the cake all the way down here and the number for the birthday candles here at the top. You can edit that. It's just a text. I added those extra rectangles at the top so it looks more like a candle. And then the second slide, everything comes together. We got cake, candles, a little animated fire at the top. Happy birthday. You can change the name here and you can change the wishes on the right if you wish. And then the next one, the last one, is just empty space for you to add whatever you need. So you can add pictures here or extra wishes or whatever else. And if you need more slides like that, you can just duplicate, right click, duplicate this one after the cake. So let me show you how it will all play. I already set up some animations, so if I click now play, I got the cake just here at the bottom. So if I click, cake goes up, the candles go down, happy birthday, wishes, fire on your candles. And you move forward, cake disappear, and you got the space for your stuff to put your stuff in. Of course, like always, I will share the template. The link to the free template will be in the description. Just don't forget, you need to customize the age, the candles here, but also on the first slide, they are here at the top. This way they will like fall down to the cake. So you need to change this. Let's say it's 24, I wish. And then we need to also move those kind of little fires around as well. You can click outside and select like that. All right, and now I will need to also modify that on the first slide, so it will be a bit tricky. Go all the way here, it's outside 24, this one more like here. All right, let's test it out, play. All right, not bad. We managed to customize the age very quickly. Of course, all of the text, all of the colors are editable. I hope this will be handy. See you in the next tutorial.